today we're going to make this double-stranded bracelet. So here I'm organizing my beads in a way that I like to add a pattern. I always like to add a specific pattern that looks maybe the same on both sides, but I also like to not match it always, but I do try and make a middle piece for the bracelet itself. Now this was actually a gift from a friend, so I absolutely love these beads, and friend, you know who you are, thank you so much. And also I'm just adding a butterfly charm, which I absolutely love as well. Now this is our little flat crimp cover that we're going to use in today's video so that we can add both strands into one bracelet. Now here I'm adding the crimp beads to both strands so that we can just flatten or crimp the bead in both, and then obviously from there we're going to make sure that both of the strings on the crimp's cover side is the same length, so that we can make sure that it's not going to be too big for the crimp. Now in this crimp I'm showing that both of the crimps need to be flat in the surface, otherwise it's not going to work out. Now I'm just adding my clasp here so that we can just keep down the rest of the string because it keeps curling up. Now here I'm just going to add this here. So I normally just basically take the crimp cover and flatten a bit, and then I add the crimp's ends of the string so that it can just go in between the teeth, and then I push it down. Okay, so now that it's in, we're going to flatten it with our round nose pliers just so that it is super flat and steady so that it does not come loose easily. And like you can see, it's not coming loose easily. So this is quite steady. So here, now we're going to swap sides. So we're going to put the cover end into our clasp, and then we're going to start beading. I absolutely love the style of these beads, and it just makes this bracelet stand out from any other thing that I've seen, and I feel like it's quite unique. So I absolutely love this. To end off the bracelet, we'll need to cut the ends to size to make sure that it fits into the crimp cover, and then we just need to add it into the crimp cover. Now finishing off the bracelet is much harder than actually starting it because of the beads moving around all the time. So I have to also just say that it's easier to flatten the crimp cover a bit, just enough so that you can add the crimp sides to it, and then just put it between the teeth, press it down, and then it will stick. Now I'm going to show you two ways that you shouldn't do it first. So trying with my hands, like you can see here, it is a struggle because it moves around. Now I'm trying to just crimp the one side, and then trying to add the second strand is where it gets difficult. Now trying to add it with your fingers and with long nails is not really going to work. I also used the round nose pliers, but it's quite big. So this is the way you need to do it. Try and press it through like I'm doing here right now, and then hold it down. Okay, and then here I'm still trying to do it with my hands, which you can see clearly does not work. When it comes to making jewelry, use your tools. So this tweezer that I have absolutely works for this tiny jobs that you need to get done, and as you can see, it absolutely works. Hey, I see you there. Please feel free to boop the like button if you're enjoying this video so far, and also follow me on the socials. Flatten the crimpy cover. For the finishing touches. If you want to see how to open a jump ring, click on this video above to show you more. Here is our 2-in-1 bracelet. So the one that I just wore, I added a bit of a chain at the end so I can just maneuver and change the size as I want to, and you can also just make it 2 size like this one. Now, as you can see, the beads are quite different, and also the pattern of the beads, which I absolutely love because it looks unique and this is beautiful. I absolutely love this bracelet. So you're welcome to watch this video or this video next. Bye!